So, and with that, for the last time in 2024, it's great that you tuned into this video today. The 31st of December, 2024. The year is over and we've gotten to know a ton of products here. We've conducted a lot of comparison tests, individual tests, application videos on the topic of polishing, and covered all sorts of topics. Andreas and I will also give our best for you in 2025 with new tests and everything that comes with it. We will also be introducing new topics this coming year. And at the end of the year, there are always the highlights or favorites. And my personal highlight of the year is always your favorites video. That means your favorite products that accompanied you in 2024, which you might have also used in previous years and were always by your side in 2024, or they can also be products that you just discovered this year, but you were so excited about them that you say, this was my highlight in 2024. That's why I started a survey and a lot of people participated. Thank you so much again for your participation, and now we're going to take a look at the results together. I'm really curious to see what your favorite products of 2024 are from the different categories. Let's take a look. Let's get started. So, let's get started with your favorites and the evaluation begins. Your favorite of 2024 in the pre-cleaner category is FX Protect Gravity in first place with 29%, followed by Prìmus from Labocosmetica. So, Sonax Multistar Stjarnagloss, first ready-to-use product. And here we have another concentrate with the Greenstar. So you see, there is no absolute winner. Of course, Gravity has the most votes, but you can also see that other products are very, very popular. Sonax Labocosmetica. And here, Shiny Garage Citrus Pyros Oil has 3.5% and is really spread very, very marginally down here in the lower places. But up front, we have a large, let's say, favorites field. But Gravity leads the statistics here. In the wheel cleaners category, we also have a clear winner with just under 36%, Sonax Felgenbeast. Then behind that, ADBL Vampire Light, which is now called Elixir, with just under 17%. I was really impressed here too. The Deturner Bloody Wheels are in third place for you. Sonax Red Max, Sonax Wheel Cleaner Extreme, Tuga Alu Devil Green. Here you can see all the points, all the votes that were cast, the percentage distribution, and we can take a look at where your favorite ended up. But I think here the three winners in the category of main winners are Sonax Felgenbeast, ADBL Vampire Elixir, and the Deturner Bloody Wheels. So here we already have a very clear result in the wheel cleaners and in the shampoos. We have a huge selection here, and you can see that it spreads out over many, many products, all because everyone has different requirements depending on price, scent, volume, and everything that goes with it. And you can clearly see Sonax Extreme RichFoam in first place, but not far behind are the votes for Sonax AutoShampoo Concentrate, Labocosmetica Sèmper, ADBL Shampoo 2, and also Liquid Elements, Dodo Juice Born to be Mild, and ADBL Snowball. And so it spreads out nicely and evenly, gradually declining across the other products. So here there's no absolute maximum winner with 50, 60, or 70% of the votes, but really a very, very broad distribution. But according to the ratings, Sonax Extreme RichFoam is in first place for you. And in the Snowfoams, Sonax is also right at the top with the Sonax Profi Active from Energy at 23.4%. Next up is the ADBL Yeti Snowfoams Prìmus from Labocosmetica. So I also have a strong distribution there. So there are also many, many products in your favorites list. Again, there's no product that completely dominated first place with 90% or 80% of the votes, but still, Sonax PROFILINE Actifoam Energy deserves to be in first place. And then you can take a look at where your favorite ended up in the sealing shampoos. Here too, Sonax has secured first place with the Ceramic Active Shampoo at just under 28%, followed by Revitax. I was really impressed here too. Koch CS, the Ceramic Effect Shampoo, is in third place. And this is really still a very, 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 very young product on the market. So that could completely slide past GmbH+. GN for me here is clearly on the decline in your ratings, I have to say. I see it that way too, because nothing has really changed for a long time and the competition is catching up. And now we see GmbH+ only in fourth place in your ranking, and they are clearly lagging behind, although they are still in the game. An absolute classic, but the competition isn't resting. Your number one is Sonax Ceramic Active Shampoo in the insect removers category, and we already have a clear picture here with 33.3% for AdBlue Squeezer, well ahead of the Sonax insect remover with 14% following. Then it continues to spread out, gradually declining across the next products. Also, take a look at where your favorite ended up. We also have products included that didn't receive a single vote, but that's just how it is. These are your favorites, 24 in the insect remover category, and AdBlue Squeezer has made it to first place. In the rinseless and dry wash products, we find Labocosmetica Aerosafe in first place with 42.1%, followed by Sonax Extreme Dry Wash with 20.8%. This is still a relatively new product on the market. Not here for long, but it has already nicely secured second place. So I was also impressed by how many votes this received. Carpo Eco is also right up there among the top 3. The Koch Rapid Rinse Wash has also really moved up high. Here, I have to clearly say that for me, Optimum Lawrence is on the decline. That was a popular product years ago, but it has taken a hit. You can see that in community ratings which have gone down. In tire cleaners, the field is huge with many products. There isn't a clear winner, but Capro Dark Side is first, just ahead of Labocosmetica Nero, followed by Shiny Garage Back to Black. There are so many products here, it's absolutely insane. And here there isn't an absolute winner, but according to the ratings, Capro Dark Side is in first place, super close ahead of Labocosmetica Nero. Then we have Shiny Garage Back to Black, and then one product after another follows behind. And you can see that there is really a very evenly distributed ranking among the top 8 to 10 spots. So here we see very clearly, you just have to test it out. There is no absolute best of product that somehow everyone seems to use, but it is spread across many individual things. And you can just take a look around here to see where your favorite ended up and what you might want to try out in the future. Your favorite in the tire care category, according to the voting, is Capro Dark Side, but it looked a bit different when it came to hard waxes. 2 brands really rocked it, with Neo Wax taking first place here at 30.2%. That's really a very strong result. Also, together with Softcoat at 25.6%, they are clearly ahead of the in-house competitor products and also ahead of the competition from other manufacturers. Again, we have Soft 99, Soft 99 Neo Wax. So these 2 brands are really leading the way in the hard wax category, and after them come HP Source, Dodo Juice, ODK, Fireball Swiss, and everything else that belongs to that. And you can clearly see where the journey is heading. So here, Neo Wax and Soft 99 are your absolute favorites in the hard wax category. Now let's move on to the spray sealants, and here we have a very strong result. So nearly half of all the votes you cast went to ADBL Synthetics. I have to say, Preywax definitely deserves it. They've really made a huge name for themselves in recent years, and they truly deserve to be in first place. And you can really see a very strong rating from you here. In second place is the Ceramics Ray Sealant from Sonax with 17.4%, also clearly ahead of third place, which is the Sonax Brilliant Detailer, and here we have Dr. Whack High and Spray Waves, ADBL Quick Wax, and then it really spreads out very thinly and evenly among the other brands and products. So here you see your favorite, with ADBL Synthetics in first place at 49%. In the long-term sealants, we also see a very clear trend. At the beginning, there was a real neck-and-neck race between Fossil Code F and Polymanaged from Sonax. But Polymanaged was able to gain a few more votes in the last 3 or 4 days and ended up in first place with 21.5%. After that, we have Fossil Code F, SOS, EOS, then Sonax with the CC1, Labocosmetica HPC, and we also have a Sonax CC Evo included. And then comes Quiet Surfaces and Normal. So here you can see it really spreads out quite a bit in the upper range among the first 6 or 7 products. These are your favorites. It definitely gets thinner downwards. But that's how it is. Those are your ratings, and that's why this is in first place based on your votes. So, after Polymer Netschild, we come to the last point, and these are your favorite polishes. And here I've always included the brands directly, not listing each polish individually, but rather which polish brand or polishing system you prefer or have used in 2024. And I have to say, the results definitely speak for themselves, with nearly 60%, 58% of you choosing Sonax Polytone as the most popular, most used and most worked with on vehicles. Menzerner, 8.7%, Koch Chemie, 7.8%, Sonax, 58%. In 2021, in the area of Polish brands, I'm also curious to see where your favorite ended up. So in the Polish brands category, Sonax is clearly the winner here with 58%. These were your favorite 2024 products in each category. It's interesting to note that while first place deserves attention, 3rd to 10th places are also worth a look. Often, products new in 2021 have quickly gained popularity, making it to your top 5 or 10. It's impressive how fast a product can become well received. Let's take a look at these rankings. It's definitely extremely impressive how quickly a product can become so well received by you. And that only works with very, very good product performance, a really good price, and the overall package just has to fit. And you have chosen your favorites, and those were them. I thank you for the year 2024, also on behalf of Andreas. We're looking forward to the year 25, to new topics, new videos, and new expeditions. Let's see what will come our way. Maybe even a new event or two. I'm looking forward to everything that 2025 has in store for us, including new opportunities, and we'll see each other in year 25. I wish you a great start to the new year, celebrate nicely into 2025, and see you in the next video. That was the year 2024. Hi everyone, and thank you all